What's up? Comments will appear.
Oh, yeah, we call it.
Nah, that's the way I like mine. Well, I like the cheese stuck on there. Y'all, we fixing to cook a roux. I'm fixing to show y'all how to cook a roux on a Blackstone griddle. I know this ain't never. Hey, I'm Bruce the Alligator Man, and we're gonna have a Facebook on Facebook Live.
We're making a gumbo. Hey everybody.
So we just did a video and we're gonna post it later. It's an actual video of Kris making this roux. So it's step by step. Now we got the roux going and he's
about to add the Holy Trinity, which is in that container right there.
Okay.
Take the lid off.
Let me did you put something up in there?
Yeah, I put a little bit of garlic in there.
Okay, so the roux may show us the Holy Trinity. You can't, huh? He can't show us and stir. Ooh,
there, right there. Can you
That's
see
Guidry's Holy Trinity.
Guidry's Holy Trinity.
With some garlic, minced garlic on top. He threw on there. So he's how much of that you gonna throw in there, buddy? Oh, let's get to the other side.
All right. Now once I put that in there, now I'm gonna let that cook for probably let it simmer in there for probably about 10-15 minutes.
Don't burn it now.
And now I'm gonna let them vegetables
I wish we had smell-o-vision, Mr. Mark. Hey everybody, so it's game day. LSU and who, babe?
Alabama. LSU in Alabama.
So.
And we all know who's gonna win.
And even if you say roll tide, we still love you. It's just me and Kris. As everybody knows, Dad's out of town, Mom's out of town. So, and we know y'all haven't had any good cooking lives lately. Y'all know y'all usually daily, so we knew we were making a gumbo, so we decided to go ahead and let y'all in on the loop.
What I'm doing today is usually when I make a gumbo, if I'm trying to make it quick, what I usually do is I usually just cook up some chicken breast, cut them up into cubes, and then I'll throw in some chicken broth.
Okay, y'all, I'm sorry, I'm fixing the tripod.
And then she just broke the tripod.
I broke the tripod.
So what I usually do is I'll, do like chicken breast and
sorry, y'all.
Chicken broth. There you go, baby.
My hand was broken.
But today I decided to do it the old-fashioned way, and instead of just doing
scratch, right?
instead of doing chicken breast and chicken broth, I'm actually making my own chicken broth. With
you put a little chicken broth in there. Though.
Yeah, I put a little chicken broth in there just to kind of give it a little bit of flavor, but.
Hey, Kevin Potts asked if Bruce is watching the Alabama LSU game, and that's a big no.
One thing Bruce don't do is he doesn't watch football. So
we grew up.
He will if it's on the TV and he's at the house, or if he's somewhere where somebody's watching the game, he'll sit and watch it, but he's not going to go out of his way to turn it on the TV. All right, so now what I'm going to do is in that back pan back there, I'm heating it up now. I just turned it on, and I'm going to put it probably on about, I don't know, a little bit higher than a medium heat, and let it heat up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sausage over here that Miss Lorraine was so kind enough to cut up for me. I'm going to take it and put it in there, and I'm going to brown it a little bit. And once it's brown, we'll show you what we do after that. We take it out, and then we put a little bit of the chicken stock in there and kind of mix it around in the pan, get that flavor out of the pan, and then we use that also in the gumbo.
Here is the roux with the vegetables. Now y'all know I don't do this kind of cooking. This is all Kris. So he's cooking down these vegetables. It's a is that considered a medium roux that you did?
No,
or a dark
that's dark. This is
no
dark. This is a dark. I mean, if you look at it, it looks darker on camera, but it's actually like it's like a chocolate, like a Hershey's chocolate bar.
So we're
consistency.
We're letting all that cook down. We got some sausage on the stove.
Yeah,
and then what's in this back pot?
And this is chicken. We're getting
that's drumsticks.
Broth going back here. That's drumsticks. Once that's done, we're gonna actually take those out of there, and we're gonna pull the meat off the bone.
Well, I can't see what you back there.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We're gonna pull the meat off the bone.
So if y'all missed this, we're making a gumbo. I know Dad's out of town, Mom's out of town, and y'all missed some cooking videos, so we decided that we'd go live today. We're actually going to go live again tomorrow for y'all for the cooking show. We're going to do it right here again, just so y'all can have something to watch. And Kris actually did a video earlier making a roux, and I'm going to get that uploaded probably to YouTube sometime early next week. Now he's doing the next steps. Yeah, it's always a good day for gumbo.
See all this stuff on the bottom of the pan? See how that sausage is starting to brown the bottom of the pan? In a minute, once this sausage is good and browned, I'm going to take some of that chicken broth out of that pot back there, and I'm going to put it in here and get that.
Because you want to scrape that up for
yeah, because you want that's flavor to be put in that gumbo.
Hey, Miss Teresa from Pigeon Forge. Miss Nancy's from Tennessee too. Miss Melissa. Any day's a good day for gumbo. I don't know about that. Now I can eat. Now if you turn the air down real low, we can eat it into something. It's hard to eat a good hot gumbo when it's 100 degrees outside with 99% humidity. Well, let's move a little bit so we're not seeing Kris's backside.
Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm moving around. Right.
The video's not clear. Oh, thank you, Mr. Who was that? Mr. Archie. Yeah, we're gonna put okra in this gumbo.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't know if y'all seen, but while Lorraine was talking, I took 2 scoops of this broth. I'm probably gonna take 1 more good scoop out of there.
Don't you drop that on my stove.
I'll put it in here.
It might be the steam, but I don't think it's that making it fuzzy. I really think it's our internet.
I'm sorry, guys.
Wi-Fi.
Put my back.
It doesn't matter how much you pay for Wi-Fi. When you got too much stuff. Uh-oh. Did you burn the sausages? Son.
No. I don't burn stuff.
Good for you. Burnt to me.
Yeah,
You're wasting food throwing it on
sausage
the ground.
down, sausage down. Alright. So, see that black stuff in that pan? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this.
Okay, let me go cut. This is really sad, but I got to go cut off some
Put that in there. Ooh, that's hot.
You said stop banging on the pots. I can't hear you when you're banging on the pots.
Sorry. And then let that mix around in there.
I'm sorry, y'all. The video keeps stopping and going. It's honestly on my end. It's not doing anything wrong. I'm going to go cut and make sure the TV's off.
The TV.
Just a little pixelated.
Oh.
Yeah. Mr. Josh said it's just a little pixelated. Oh, he burned the meat. No, he didn't.
No, I didn't. All right. Take that.
Hey Gary. Gary wants to know where we from. Gary must be new on our Facebook page. So
Dump
be sure
that in
to
there with that chicken.
be sure to like it. Stop banging on the pipes. Seriously. Be sure to like us on Facebook and you'll get notifications for these videos. We are in South Louisiana, a little town called Ponchatoula.
South Louisiana.
Let's see what this man's doing over here, y'all. I can't keep up with
I'm
you.
sorry, I'm moving. I'm on the move. All right, grab that little strainer thing there, Mama. You see it?
Nope.
Right there, on that plate. And I gotta dump this broth in here. You do that strainer.
If you burn me, the
Put
gumbo's
it over
gone.
the gumbo. Put it over the gumbo.
It is over the gumbo.
Try and catch some of this chicken.
Fat.
Going. Yeah. Yeah. There. That's the stuff you don't want in there. Yesterday.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm going to let this cook a little while.
Okay. So now we got all of our chicken stock we just made in there, and we made sure to strain it. That way we didn't get big chunks
Yeah.
of chicken nasty.
Yeah, I'll
Fat.
show you. This is what we got. That's what you don't want. You don't want none of that in there. That's why I ran it to that little strainer.
Especially.
Now I'm going to take the sausage. And we're going to put that in there.
Yeah, what you doing here?
Well, I'm just taking these other two pieces of chicken. that I
We knew
had in
y'all
another pot.
haven't been seeing many lives from him, so we decided we're gonna we doing gumbo today. We said, well, what the heck? We'll jump on here
What's
and
the heck?
let me go open my.
So while I'm doing that, while I'm waiting on that, I'm gonna come over here.
I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. Oh, then go get it, sweetie.
I'm gonna break up this old chicken that's hot. It's probably gonna burn my fingers. Yep, it's hot.
Yes, that's bunny bread, Mr. Josh. I try so hard to get healthy wheat bread, but ain't nothing like eating a sandwich, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or just a good old ham and cheese with tomatoes and some blue plate mayonnaise. It ain't the same. You might as well not eat one. Hey, Mr. RJ.
Yeah. Miss Lorraine don't like them skins in there either.
Nope.
Me, it don't bother me none.
I
eat it
honestly
all.
wish I wouldn't have gotten drumsticks because I don't like that meat. I'm just gonna be honest. You want me to pull that garbage can out, babe?
No, I got this plate over here. I'm putting
Oh, okay. He's so quiet.
It's hot.
Mr. Archie said, I don't see any French bread or potato salad. Isn't that a law there? You have to have French bread and potato salad?
And there is a special way you eat gumbo when you have potato salad. Your gumbo and your potato salad go in the same bowl. So now,
Sorry,
what we're
y'all.
gonna do is, this is about 4 cups of water, and we're just gonna pour that. This is the water I used
Okay.
earlier. I had a little bit of chicken broth in it, but it's mostly water that I used to cook those other 2 chicken legs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump this.
You want me to strain
In
it for
here.
you again?
No, I got it. I can do that.
You can do that?
Yep. And
Yeah,
what I'm
because you
gonna
were
do is-
like, this is water. And I'm like, wait a second.
No,
It
it's
doesn't
it's
look
got a
like
little
water.
bit of a little bit of chicken broth in
Hey,
it too,
Mr.
but it's
Steven.
mostly water, and it's 4 cups, and I'm just gonna pour this right on in here too. Trying to catch all that little stuff. All right, I'm gonna stir that in. Now we're gonna put in our seasoning, which I already have pre-measured over here. And what it is, it's 1 tablespoon.
Wait, I can't see.
I'm
Sorry,
sorry.
I'm not doing very good.
1
video.
tablespoon of your favorite Creole seasoning. 1 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, and 3 bay leaves is what I use. And I just put that in there and stir that around. Ooh.
See, y'all hear a little outside. Look, hey, Mr. John, how you doing? Mr. W.C. John.
Yeah, alright, we're good now. Alright,
Oh.
now once you get that done, next thing to go in is your chicken. Alright,
Oh,
and goes your
okra.
chicken.
We forgot about the okra.
Yeah, well,
that's last.
last.
I know, but I'm
You
gonna
put
take it
that-
out so it'll be.
You put that in right at the end because you don't want it to. If you put your okra in too early, it'll make it slimy.
Yeah.
And then now you put the lid on it
And we wait.
and you cook it for about another hour, and she'll be ready. But there it is, right there. Chicken and sausage gumbo.